Welcome back to 504 Road Trips. Today we continue north on I-55 beginning at mile 248 in Panola County, Mississippi. We're getting into the area known as Hill Country, and shortly we'll reach a more densely populated area as we approach the Memphis metropolitan area. We enter the town of Sardis, the second county seat of Panola County. Sardis had an estimated population of 1,581 as of 2019. We entered the town of Como, which had an estimated population of 1,188 in 2019. Just a reminder, if you haven't already, please hit that subscribe button and the bell beside it to be notified of when our new videos come out. and give us a thumbs up or hit the new super thanks button if you enjoy our videos. We enter Tate County, named for Thomas Simpson Tate, one of the first prominent American settlers of the area. The county had an estimated population of 28,759 as of 2018. We enter the city of Senatobia, the county seat of Tate County. Senatobia is the 16th largest municipality in the Memphis metropolitan area. Senatobia is the home of the Northwest Mississippi Community College, a state community college that provides 2-year academic and technical degree programs. Senatobia received its charter as a municipality in 1860. The city had an estimated population of 7,610 as of 2019. We enter the town of Coldwater, named for the nearby Coldwater River. The original town began in 1856, called the Village of Elm Grove. Construction of the Mississippi and Tennessee Railroad through here in 1858 stimulated development. Coldwater was officially incorporated in 1872. Due to frequent river flooding, the town was relocated and reconstructed on land about 1.5 miles south of its original location. Coldwater had an estimated population of 1,533 as of 2019. We conclude our video here at mile 272. Thanks for watching. If you'd like to help support our channel, please check out our merchandise at 504roadtrips.spreadshirt.com. If you like this video, please give us a thumbs up, post a comment, subscribe, share and follow us on social media, and join us for our next 504 road trip.